Hi students, good morning. Students of 9th standard, let's after a little pause we met here. Students, whatever we learnt in last sessions, we have to revise first. Students, today we are going to learn part number 2 and verse number 3, 4 and 5. Before we start these 3, 4 and 5, let's revise little bit what we learnt. Students, we learnt here, see, Vasante Pavana Kidrusho Bhavati. In verse number 1 we learned that Vasante Pavanaha Kidrushaha Bhavanti. That's we learned, students. Okay. Kathora or Sugandhita, students. That's answer will come Sugandhita. Question number 2. See, what did spring give? The spring give everything to everything to all. Let's like trees became full of flowers, waters became full of lotus, and all ladies became full of happy and ready to fulfill their wish. And wind also full of fragrance, and whole night is also full of happiness, and the days became full of beauty. This concept of this question answer. Now, how the water sport look? Water sport look very beautiful as wear the jewelry. Okay. How the mango trees looks? Mango trees looks full of flowers. What did the moon look? The moon looked very lustrous, and because of this all young ladies look very nice, beautiful, and also getting the happiness. Students, that's concept we learnt in last session. So we have to go ahead on 3, 4 and 5. You see in your book. I am just reading first. Okay, see. Karnishu yogyam navakarnikaram. Karnishu yogyam navakarnikaram chaleshu nile alkesha shokam shikashu pushpam navamallikayam shikashu pushpam navamallikayam prayati kantim pramoda jana nam. Third number, now 4, see. Guruni vashashi vihaya trunam Guruni vashashi vihaya trunam Tanuni lakshara shanchi tani Shugandhi kala guru dhupitani Shugandhi kala guru dhupitani Tanu dhati janaha kama dal shangaha. Okay, next thing. Kim kishuke shuka mukha cha vibhinnam bhinnam Kim karni kar kushumena hatam manorathe Yat kokilaha punarayam madhu me vacho bihi yunam manaha Supadana nihitam nihante. This is the reading of this. What is this, students? Okay. Now let's understand what is there in this. The first line is like this. See, third number. Karneshu yogyam navakarnikaraha. Karneshu means on the ear. Yogyam means proper, and navakarnikar means a flower of karna. Karna, it's a flower. You know, students, yellow color flower is there. Karan, in Gujarati we use this currants. Okay, so here our poet is telling that, oh my dear one, this flower karan is look beautiful on your ear. And another, our poet is telling that, Kalidas, Chalesu nile aswa kesha shokam. Okay, Chalesu means when you walk, oh my beloved one, when you walk. Nil alkesh kesava. Nil means it's look beautiful. Alkesh shokam means on the hair, means when you walk, my dear one, this karna flower is look very beautiful. Now another line, compare our poet this hair with sakha means branch. Sikhasu puspam navamallikaya means as one branch getting the new flowers, this hairs looks as navamallikaya means these hairs look as beautiful one. Okay, so here the concept is that, oh my dear one, when you walk it's look very beautiful, as how it's look as one branch getting a new flower. Okay, and because of this you look very beautiful. Prayanti kanti pramoda jananam. Prayanti means is giving, and kanti means love. Okay, and pramoda janana means young ladies, means these types of situation is giving love to all ladies. Okay, students, this is the concept of third. Now 4C, what is that? Guruni Vasasi Vihaya Turnam. Guruni means guru, teacher, and Vasasi means cloth, and Vihaya Turnam, Vihaya means living, Turnam means immediately, means a great guru means teacher always living very precious clothes, means not accept. Every time he think about students, not think about clothes. So here below, here Kalidas is telling to his beloved one that, oh my dear one, see, I am scholar one as teacher, and I am look very simple one because I don't want any precious clothes. Okay. Tanuni lakshara sanchitani. Tanuni means as possible as thin, means because of simple clothes I look very thin. Okay, lakshara sanchitani means it is like wax, means my clothes are like wax. Wax, you know students, when you hit something on the wax, it will be break up. So here our poet means Kalidas is telling that, oh my dear one, I have wear my clothes as is tear up very easily. So I look very thin, and I also not look very handsome, beautiful too. Sugandhi Kali Guru Adhupitani means if someone reach to these types of guru, then his or her life will be full of fragrance. Means here our poet is telling that, oh my dear one, I look very simple, okay, in simple clothes, and I look also thin in simple clothes, but you know my dear one, if someone went or someone goes near to these types of guru, then that person will also full of fragrance. Okay, because that type of teacher always think about student, not think about cloth. Okay. Dhate janah kam dalangah. Dhate means every time. Okay. And janah means for people. Kam dalang sangah means he is always busy to doing the welfare of the people, means fulfill the wish of people. Means, oh my dear one, these types of teacher always ready to fulfill the wishes of the people. So same way I am here, I am in simple clothes and I am look very thin. Okay, so a poet is telling to his beloved one that, oh my dear one, I look very thin and simple one as with simple clothes. But you know my dear one, simple clothes and simple thinking and thin one has good knowledge, and if someone means students reach to these types of one, then he also full of fragrance and full of knowledge. So okay my beloved one, let's accept me as next 5th C. Kim kishukehe sukha mukhacha vibhinna bhinnam. Kim kishukehe means how the flower keshudo. Okay. Shuka mukhacha bhinna bhinnam means the beak of parrot and this, okay, keshudo is look very different. Okay. Kim kishuka means what is keshudo? Shuka mukhacha vibhinna bhinnam means the beak of parrot is looks different, and this keshudo is also look very different. Kim karnikar kushume hatam manoje. Kim karnikar means what the flower do as karnikar. Hatam manoje means it attracts to the mind of the people. Means what the flower karnikar do. This flower karnikar can hatam manoje means attract to the mind of the people. Okay. Next, yat kokhilaha punarayam madhure vachopihi. Now what a cuckoo can do? Students, here this poet is telling that, oh my beloved, oh my dear one, here kokil means cuckoo is also giving the happiness to all people in the springtime. So it speak madhur vachobihi means it makes sound very melodious. Because of this all people get happiness. Yunam manaha suvada nani nihantam means it attracts to the mind of the people and also makes them very busy to listen the melodious sound of cuckoo. Nihanta, nihanti, that means not leaving it. Okay, means people if want that we can't accept that type of sound, then also they are ready to listen the melodious sound of cuckoo, means koel. Okay, so this is the concept of fifth one, means how the birds look different and the things also look different. First given kim keshukehe, means what is keshudo? Kushukah mukhashchah binnam binnam, means the beak of parrot and keshudo both look different. Okay, another kim karnikar kushume, means what, how the flower of karnikar. So answer is like the hatam manoje, I mean it attracts the mind of the people. Yat kokilah punarayam madhube vachubihi, and another thing is that a cuckoo can make sound very melodious. Yunam manaha suvadana nihitam nihanti, means it immediately attract the mind of the people to its sound, means immediately people attract toward that sound. But this is the concept of fifth one. So oh my dear one, this is the whole incident what is going in the springtime. So Kalidas is telling the natural scene of the spring with some examples to his beloved one. Good students, now I am telling the short translate of third, fourth and fifth. You listen. Okay. Oh my beloved one, a flower kernel is look very beautiful on your ears, and when you walk, your heads are also look very beautiful. Next, its look as a branch get a new flowers with some flowers. So oh my dear one, it gives happiness to young ladies. Third one, Gururi Vasasviya, a simple person as guru always wear simple clothes and look very thin. His look like wax, as wax break immediately, same way these types of teacher break immediately. Okay, Sugandhi Kala Guruni, but if my dear one, a student came or come to him, then that student's life full of fragrance. And Dhatechana Kamada Langa Sangah, means oh my dear one, immediately his or her life will be full of happiness and full of satisfied things and comfortable one. Now fifth one, question answer. Okay, King Kishukehe Sukka Mukhacha Binna Binna, means how the Keshudo is the beak of parrot and Keshudo is look beautiful but both different. Kim Karnikar Kushume Hatam Manoje, means what's the flower kernel do? That it can attract the mind of the people. Third line, Yat Kokilaha Punarayam Madhube Vachubi, means as the cuckoo, a bird which makes sound again and again, and Yunam Manaha Suvandana Nihitam Nihanti, means it attracts the minds of the people again and again. Okay, means people can't avoid its sound. This is the concept of third, fourth and fifth students. Okay, let I one time short intro giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you having doubt, then clear it. In first, our poet is telling that oh my dear one, spring gives everything to everyone. Flowers given to trees, lotus given to water, and lady means woman became full of eager. After that, wind full of fragrance, and night full of happiness, and days looks beautiful. The first concept. Then second concept is that oh my dear one, the water sport look very beautiful as wear jewels, and the moon look very lustrous, so that's why all women became full of love, and mango trees is it's also full of flowers, and this type of thing given by spring. Third concept is that oh my dear one, the flower kernel looks beautiful on your ear. When you walk, at that time it looks very beautiful and very attractive. As one branch getting one new flower and looks beautiful, same way you also look very beautiful, and this situation, these types of incidents gives happiness to the young ladies. Fourth concept, guru, teacher. How the teacher is, oh my dear one, I am like teacher, scholar one, so that's why I can't accept any precious cloth, I can accept only simple ornaments, simple clothes. So that's why I look very thin with my body. And but you know, my dear one, if students come to me, then I will give lots of knowledge, and I will try to fill his life with full of fragrance, means knowledge. Same way, oh my dear one, let's you accept me. And last is question answer. Okay, how the Kishuke, means how the flower Keshudu look. It's look with the beak of parrot, but both different. Another we learn that how the Karnikar flower look. It's give happiness to the mind of the people. Third line we learnt Yat Kokilam, means how the cuckoo is. The cuckoo is look beautiful with melodious sound. So that's why it's attract the mind of the people. Okay, and that's concept we learnt, and these types of description given by Kalidas to his beloved one. Okay, students, we have to revise question answer as whatever we learnt. See here, which things look beautiful on the ear? Which things look beautiful on the ear? Karnikar flower. Karnikar flower on the ear of beloved one of Kalidas look beautiful. How the Karnikar looks in the hair? The Karnikar looks in the hair as full of happiness and full of beauty. How the teacher look? Teacher look simple and thin. Teacher look simple and thin in the simple clothes as wax. Kaha madhure vachubihi. Kaha madhure vachubihi manah nihanti. Kaha means vayasah or kokilaha. That time answer will come kokilaha. Kokilaha can, okay, means cuckoo can attract the mind of the people. That's concept today we learn, students. Okay, so this poem number 6, Sarva Charutaram Vasante, I hope you understood very well. So that's why let note down in your notebook, and also have to do exercise at your home. Okay, I hope you all well, and thank you.